In this video, I'll show you how to copy messages on Deepseek. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational content like this. If you head over to your Deepseek and you want to copy, let's say, some messages like you want to send to your friends, to anyone you want to send it to, what you're going to do right now, you're going to left click your mouse, right? Hold it firmly, adjust it so you can see once you've highlighted this. You now right click your mouse, right? You see some options. This is copy, this. So you're going to copy this, right? Once you've copied it, you can, let me see, you can see come on here. Click on the paste, it's going to paste, right? So this is basically how you can copy messages here on Deepseek. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. If you want to ask me anything, ensure to that as well below. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I really appreciate it. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.